Welcome to WHITEBOARD Project Management Channel. In this channel, you will learn the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. Prepare your white sheets, grab your cup of coffee, hit subscribe, and let's start the session. Welcome to this episode of WHITEBOARD Project Management. Maybe you have been allocated as a project leader, or you are a project leader, or you have been promoted from your company to be a project leader. In this episode, I will try to explain the main things what you have to focus on to be a great leader. Let's go to the whiteboard and let's start highlighting those things. How to be a great project leader. Point number 1. I will mention lead by reference. Means you need to show a reference, you need to show an example for your team to prove to them that your way is a good way and make them more confident. If you are leading in a new way, which is unexperienced way, they could be having some suspicion about the way you are delivering, and this could delay and make some problems with you. It's not the right time at the beginning to use this technique, but as a new project leader, I would advise you, for you as a new one, to lead by example, lead by a reference. Use the reference and you will be having a good point. Okay, point number 2. Set clear boundaries. Means you are setting clear boundaries for your project team and for the project deliverables as well. Not only for the project team, but also for the deliverables. You are setting the boundaries for the list of, let's say, a document, what type of information to be included in that document, not to include more than what is needed, not to include less than what is needed. The quality is important for you, and to set the boundaries for your team as well. Each person should have his boundaries. He should know the input data and he should know the output data as well. He should know what he is doing, what is his type of work, and what he have to get to bring some outputs. Point number 3. Support team to grow. You need to support your team to grow. It's important for you to make them more professional, to let them grow up. Means support them for having the chance to go for trainings, to go for some presentations, to meet other clients, to meet other customers, to meet the manufacturers. So they will grow step by step, grow the technical reference in them. You need to support them to grow. Point number 4, which I want to mention here, is to have a strong vision. Having a strong vision is important because you know your vision, you know what you are going through, you know the leading means you are reaching to that point. If you are leaving your home, from your home to your work, and you know which road you are taking in the morning, means you know your target. You are leading the car, or maybe a driver is sitting beside you and you are telling him, turn right, turn left here, believe me, today is the last day before the weekend, and I know that this road will be busy. Trust me, go to the right, take this shortcut. Trust me, there will be some excavation in the road on that way. So you are leading your driver to reach the target. Do the same with your team, and be having a strong vision and be confident with what you are telling, because this will lead to the target. Point number 5 is to keep developing yourself. Do not say that, okay, I'll just reach to the management level and I don't need to educate myself more. I don't need to develop myself more. I have reached to the maximum level. No, this is not correct. Always develop yourself. Always there will be a new information. Always there will be some book to at least download in PDF and to read. From each book, if you read a book, a big book, and you are getting from each chapter one good new information for you, which you are taking it and you are applying it in the practical management life, this is a big success. So we are humans, we cannot know everything, and we are always developing ourselves to improve ourselves and to keep the way we are managing in better and better way. Next point is to learn from mistakes. Means lessons learned. From the registers lessons learned, always remember what you have done wrong, what you did good. So what you have done wrong is important not to be repeated. When you have a repeated project and you remember that at that project there was some wrong way of management, and you did something which leads at the end for a reason in a bad way, remember this and don't make it to be repeated. You need to eliminate the threats, the risks, and learn from your mistakes not to be repeated. Those are only the main things which I wanted to highlight here in this episode, so you can see it, you can focus on it, and you will be great. Thank you for watching, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more coming episodes on practical project management. Thank you, and I will see you in the next episode.